Hello students, welcome to my class. Mm, we have been doing chemical calculations since more than 3 days. Okay, so today is the last day of the chapter chemical calculations. Okay, so we'll solve the last 3 questions. Okay, so basically we have finished. I hope you have understand the questions whatever I have solved till now. Okay, now today we'll solve these 3 questions. Okay, so please uh, try to understand whatever I am teaching. Okay, next one, I am going to read the question now. Okay, now I am going to read the question. How much lime and what volume of carbon dioxide at NTP will be obtained from 10 kg of limestone? Okay, so we have to find how much lime we can obtain from 10 kg of limestone. Now here NTP, what is the full form of NTP? Full form of NTP is normal temperature and pressure. So what is our normal temperature? 0 degrees Celsius, and normal pressure is how much? 76 centimeter of mercury. Okay, so let's start. Now how much lime and what volume of carbon dioxide at NTP will you obtain? Now first of all you will write the equation. Now lime, now first of all write formula of limestone is CaCO3. Now CaCO3, when we break this, it will break into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So CaO means lime, this is called lime, and this is called limestone. This is called limestone. Okay, so you have to find how much kg of lime will be obtained. Okay, now let's solve these questions. Now CaCO3, so first of all we will find the molecular weight of this calcium. How much? 40, carbon 16, oxygen 16 into 3. So we already know this value is 100 gram. Okay, and calcium oxide how much? 40 plus 16, that equal to 56 gram. Okay, now among this which one is known? So known is 10 kg of limestone. Means this limestone is known, that's why we'll start from here now. So 100 gram of CaCO3 produces 56 gram of calcium oxide. Is it clear? So 100 gram of calcium carbonate produces 56 gram of calcium oxide. So 1 gram of calcium carbonate produces 56 gram by 100 gram cancel of calcium oxide. Now last step we write how many kg? 10 kg. Now 10 kg convert into gram. When we convert 10 kg into gram, it will be 10,000 gram of calcium carbonate produces 56 by 100 into 10,000 gram. Double zero cancel, so our answer will be 5600 gram of calcium oxide. Is it clear or not? Or if you want to convert into kg, then divide by 1000, then it will be kg. Okay, CaO. So double zero cancel, so our answer is 5.6 kg. Okay, now next question is what volume? Okay, now you have to find the volume of carbon dioxide at NTP. Okay, now let's find the volume of carbon dioxide at NTP. Now what we'll do, we know from here we'll find the volume of carbon dioxide. Okay, so how we'll find? Now what we'll write here, 100 gram of 100 gram of CaCO3 gives. So we have to write the volume of carbon dioxide, and always remember volume of any molecule at NTP. NTP will be always normal temperature pressure always will be 22.4 liter. Okay, always remember it will be 22.4 liter. So volume of carbon dioxide is 22.4 liter. So 100 gram of carbon dioxide calcium carbonate gives 22.4 liter of what? 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide at NTP. Okay, now next step, 1 gram of calcium carbonate gives 22.4 divided by 100 gram. Okay, here liter, here gram of CO2. Now last step is how much? 10,000 gram. Okay, so we have 10,000 gram, no? So again we'll write 10,000 gram of CO2 gives 22.4 divided by 100. So we'll remove the point, then 0 will come here, then 10,000, 1 2 3 4. So triple zero cancel, so it will be 2240 liter of CO2. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so 2240 liter of CO2. Is it clear or not? So in this way we will do, we have finished question number 11. Okay, now we will do question number 12. Now let's start question number 12. So what are the questions? How much ferrous sulfide will be required to obtain 1.12 gram of H2S gas at NTP by the chemical reaction between ferrous sulfide? Now you have to find here ferrous sulfide, how much ferrous sulfide will be obtained. So how much ferrous sulfide will react with, how much ferrous sulfide will be required to obtain 1.12 gram of H2S. Okay, now you have to find ferrous sulfide. So equation is already given here. You can see here FeS plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2S. Okay, now you have to find ferrous sulfide, and what is given here? H2S gas is given here. So H2S is known, ferrous sulfide is unknown. Ferrous sulfide, this is ferrous sulfide, is unknown, this is known. So first I will write molecular weight. Iron how much? Iron is 56 and sulfur how much? 32. So that becomes 88 gram. Okay, now here H2S how much? 1 into 2 plus sulfur how much? 32. So is equal to 2 plus 32 is equal to 34 gram. Okay, now let's start. Now this one is known, this one is unknown, so we'll write known first. So 34 gram of H2S is obtained from 88 gram of FeS. Okay, ferrous sulfide. Now next one is 1 gram of H2S obtained from 88 gram by 34 gram of FeS. So gram cancel. Now last step is how much? How much given here? 1.12 gram. So 1.12 gram of H2S is obtained from 88 by 34 into 112 by 100. Okay, so it's not fitted here. Now we'll add the next page. Okay, so it is 88 by 34 into 112 by 100 gram. Okay, now let's start cancelling. So to 44, this goes by 17. Okay, so again we'll cancel 22 divided by 50, again 50, 25 here, 2 6 are 12, then 2 5 is 10, 2 6 are 12. So this much we can cancel here. Now we will just multiply it. So 56 to the 112, and 56 to the 112 plus 11 how much? 112 plus 11, 120, 123 divided by how much? 17 5s, 25 7s how much? 25 7s, 25 7s 175. Okay, 21 is 25 plus 17 how much? 42. So 425. So when we when we divide, how much will get? So 425, 3 is a 3 will not be fitted, 2, 2 5 is a 10, 2 2 is a 4, 5, 2 4 is a 8. So 2, 13 minus 5, 8, 11 minus 8, 3, again point here 0. So 4 9 is a 36. I hope so. 4 9 is a 425 into 9. 2 5 9 is a 45. 5 2 is a 9. 9 2 is a 18 plus 4 22. 9 4 is 36. 38. 3 8 2 5. So here with 5 it is more. So we will do it 8. 8 5 is a 40. 8 2 is a 16. 17 18 19 20. 8 4 is 32. 30 34. So 3 4. So our remainder will be 420. Okay, again we will put here 0. So how much will go? So 2 points 425 425. I hope it will go by 9. Okay, so if you go with 9, then it will be 9 5 is 45, 9 is 18 plus 422, 9 4 is 36, 38. So we'll do up to this much. It will come answer 2.89, or you can say it is 3 gram. Okay, so here answer given is 4.4. I hope this is not correct answer, okay, in my point of view. So we'll write answer is 3 gram. Okay, now let's do last one, that is number 13. Number 13 is, how many grams of carbon dioxide is produced when 12 gram of carbon is burned into in excess of oxygen? Now we have to find how many gram of carbon dioxide is produced when we burn carbon. When we burn carbon in presence of oxygen, then it forms carbon dioxide. You have to find carbon dioxide. So what is given here? Carbon is given, carbon value is given, carbon dioxide you have to find. Okay, so carbon value how much given? 12 gram, and oxygen carbon dioxide you have to find. Okay, so we have to find first of all molecular weight. What is molecular weight here? Molecular weight of carbon is also 12. Okay, so carbon dioxide how much? 12 plus 16 into 2, that is equal to 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. So let's start. This is the very easiest part. So this one is known here, so we'll write 12 gram of carbon produce how much? Produce 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Next step, 1 gram of carbon produce 44 gram by 12 gram of CO2. Last step is again 12 gram of carbon dioxide, carbon produce 44 by 12 into 12, so gram, so 12 cancel is equal to 44 gram of CO2. So our answer is 44 gram of CO2. This is our final answer. Okay, so by this we finish the chapter chemical calculations. So I hope you have understand. Okay, so nothing hard I find here in solving the question. Just you have to follow one method. Okay, so how to do? Okay, so here basically I use unitary method. Okay, so I hope you have learned in your maths. Okay, so by this I end my today's class. Okay, so we'll start a new chapter from tomorrow. Okay.